I found a scraper blade attachment for a Sawzall. Gonna give that a try. The blade on the hammer drill isn't sharp enough to get under the dent set or glue, so we're using the Sawzall scraper blade, and hopefully that'll make it easier to get everything up. I didn't even know they made a scraper blade for a Sawzall, but I'm sure I'm glad that we made the discovery before we did this project. It's making it a lot easier to get this stuff up. If you're new to the channel, hey, thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing. We're always coming up with some new project or a fishing video, because, well, quite frankly, I'd rather be fishing than doing home improvement projects. But if I find an easier way to accomplish some home improvement project, I'll let you know about it in a video. And if I find a better way to catch more fish, I'll let you know about that too. Anyway, have a great day.